ka Jingkhot Jong blay ka long ka ba amla ban perkhat kum ki Briew. Baroh Briew bakash ka Pyrthei, udan la ka Jong ka Jingkhot, bat la ka long ha kanu ka banta Jong ka Jingim, u ne ka Briew kila ban shakhot, ban tre ka Briew so wan Jong try, ban long ki nong hikai, ban long nong yalam, ban long nong nya kali bat kumta ter. Larang isyam ya ka kam bangi tre kum ka Jingkhot Jong blay, ngin yo shishay ka Jinghon mensim bat ngin la ru ban penon buram yo blay, hamman la ki kep ka Jingim Jongi. Nakaliang ka Don Bosco Media Network, kala yo banyakran bat uling do so blay Father Alexis Asir Vatam, SDS Vicariate Superior ka India bat Sri Lanka, nakjinga slok reunion Society of the Divine Savior Salvatorians. Ulay athu, baka jingjiet jong blay, kalong ka bakantang bat ngidey ban buram ka Jingkhot jong u ban trey ha kanu ka banta, bala baha yangi khnang bangin la ban ajing ken hakisngi khatdu andangi yang hakmat unong bishar bakraw. Father, can you please just tell us something about Salvatorian?
Wow.
Something about it and how you end up being a priest of the Salvatorian.
Beautiful to hear that. Not only something, many things I'll tell you. Thank you for this platform. First and foremost, I'm very happy to meet you and meet our Lord Brother, Everest. Yes, indeed, I'm very happy. I came to know the Salvatorians from my parish, where I hail from. I came to know through one of my parishioners, who was a brother.
Okay.
And he told me there is a congregation where I am studying. Are you interested? To be frank, the first attempt I was not interested. Then I gave a thought to it and reflected upon it as a young boy, and something struck me. The name itself, Salvatorians, no? I said, I give it a try. I go. I came to Bangalore in 1994. Then I did my studies. I came to know the Salvatorians very much. The beginning, though I was so slow, later on, I fell in love with the Salvatorians. To be frank, okay? I'm very happy to say that as I stand in this holy place. Why? I came to the Salvatorians' charism, that is, teach Christ to all people by all ways and means. Taking the Gospel of Mark, chapter 16 and verse 15, saying, go to the whole world and preach Christ to all men. In other words, all nations. Those days it was simple words for me, but later on, once I came to know the vision and mission of my beloved founder, Blessed Francis Mary of the Cross Jordan, I fell in love with his ideas. Because this one element. Second element, he said, every Salvatorian should become men of holiness. For to achieve that one, you should have a constant trust and confidence in God and continuous prayer in life. You know, simple ordinary Catholic, what do we do this thing? We do the same. So second point which struck me to be a more authentic and vibrant, active Salvatorian. Third thing, I came to this holy place, Shillong region, in 2000. I came here just to visit. I fell in love with the place. I was not knowing the history much. Then 2016, I came officially to the Shillong diocese as Arisen parish priest to Laikinso parish. And I came to know many things, which the vision I had, which the reflection I had, I didn't practice in Laikinso parish. Okay, going to the people, beautiful society, inspiring people. I love in the Catholic family over here, and the people have taught me many things, you know. And I am today happy to stand in this holy place again to say proudly, I love Salvatorians and love the charism of the founder. And more, I love the founder's vision and the founder himself. If he were to today in this world, I hug him and live him. Such is my real the thirst, the urge in me, till is very active in their life. I thank God for this gift and this opportunity. There are many more. I cut short that.
Father, can you tell us where are you from, Father?
I am from Tamil Nadu,
Okay.
from the Tanjore diocese, one of the missionary dioceses of the Indian Catholic community, where the Velangani, Our Lady of Velangani, I am near to that place. I hail from a good and well moral Catholic family.
Okay. How many years you have been here in Shillong, Father?
Shillong, I have been here almost 11 years.
11 years.
I worked in the parish 7 years and worked here in Meghalaya more of 5 years, 4+ years. So therefore, I would round to make it 5 years. So 11 years I am here. So less than 12 years, so to say. So 11, I could say 11 years. And I'm happy to work here. If they send me tomorrow to go anywhere village, immediately my spirit will jump into joy and go for the mission. Until there are many more things I could do it for God and for the people, till I longing to do it. And I hope I will succeed, if time permits.
Thank you so much, Father. And Father, can you just give a small message to the young people
Young people,
on the specific call of God?
yes, specific call of God. This is not, the call of God is not mine and in it, as it is said, call of God. God calls, okay? From different angles, from different people, different incidents, different happenings, different responsibility people are being called. I was called when I was a, so to say, a kind of altar boy. I never thought I will become priest. To be frank, I told my Papa, you are sending me. No, I am not. No, my son, you got the grace. Go ahead. With the hesitation I came. So therefore, later on I loved the occasion, to be frank. Loved the call of God. That today I stand here having the responsibility to lead this young Salvatorian family in India as a vicariate superior. It is purely God's grace, not my effort. Because I loved my vocation, till I love my vocation, and thus God is granting me. This message I want to pass to everybody. Every young men, boys and girls, young generations, that love your life. Love to the core. Love your profession. If you are a teacher, love it. If you are a simple ordinary worker, love it. If you are ordinary, so to say, technician, engineer, love it. If you receive God's call, please love it. I tell you, you are going to achieve, you are going to do wonders for God, because He will make use of you. The second thing is, loving alone not enough. You have to exhibit in your life. Loving your own activities, your own work, your own failures, your own success, your own friends, whereby you build the society little by little. Thus, you exhibit that love of God that is in you, as well as you also invite people to share the same love. So for young generations, maybe the world may be feeling it, or the world, kind of temptation to digital world, this world, that world. I tell you, the digital world, the digital things, gadgets are through the mighty work of God. Okay? Without God, nothing comes out. Therefore, this will pass and go. This will pass and go. God will never pass and go. God will be always with you. Always with you. All the activities. Therefore, pay attention on God's ways. Men of holiness, as our founder says, you should become men of prayer, men of holiness, men of commitment. Love your life, love your society, love the family. I tell you, you are there. Your gadgets are not going to feed you. God is going to feed you. So that's the message I want to share. Thank you for this chance. I appreciate it. God bless you.